How to create a post on Instagram. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial in today's video that we can follow up in order to create up a post. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. Open up an Instagram application. For that, launch the Instagram application on your phone and then make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are done so, in the top right corner, we can find a plus icon that we can click on and choose a photo or video from our device. And after we have clicked on it, this should appear like this. Now what we can do is we can just go over and add audio if we want to add, crop or adjust the image, apply filters, adjust the brightness and contrast, and many more. Even add up a description. So for that, tap on next and it should start processing. After that, we can start up typing in caption if we have any, add in audio, tag people, add location, add AI label, and many more options. And we can just go and tap on share normally if we want to share it, and go ahead and tap on the option called share. After that is done, you can just go and wait for some seconds and the post should be done very quickly. You can just go and look out for it on your profile. And there we go. You can refresh your page and you'll be finding the post that you've just done. And that's it. Usually this is how we should be able to do a post on Instagram very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.